Welcome back to the new development of the Gambia. We are in Abuko, eh? And this side is Wellingara, this other side is Abuko. This is the nature reserve, right? And here is Fatke Network, the global and international network, right? And who is he? Kola. And who are you?
Abdurrahman.
Can you intro yourself, my sister, and your platform, please?
Hello guys, this is Fatke Network.
Fatke Network.
Fatke Network. So don't forget to go back and follow me too. I have my channel that is growing with you guys support and love. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
With my Gambian brothers and sisters.
Wow. So that's the new Gambia, yeah? The new Gambia. Sky is so beautiful, man.
We outside experiencing Gambian road.
The Gambian new road.
The one and only Lucky Cha.
Can you say
the
that
face
again?
of Gambia.
Yes.
The one and only.
Yes, man. So this Fat K.
Gambia.
Yeah, we truly love the Gambia, you know. What are you saying? Oh, what are you saying?
You said something? Yes.
He said people to subscribe, yeah?
Yeah. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay?
And comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's Fat K and his son right and Sean right at the moment. So you can go to Fat K platform, global platforms. He did wonders videos in the Gambia, videos that you love. So go to her platform, subscribe, basically like it, and then make sure share it to friends and family that everyone know Fat K has visited the Gambia. She really do unique and wonderful, amusing videos in the Gambia across the country. We even did videos in Senegal, Dakaru, and then she got a lot of videos to show you out how to spend in the Gambia, how to invest in the Gambia. And then if you want to know more, go to her platform. So that's a new development, right? New road in Wellingara. The new road for the next election. The building road for the next election, right? As we say, we're building Africa one step at a time. And I forget to intro my driver right now. Jibril, the #1 digital driver right now in the country. Like if you never visit the Gambia, the best driver to pick you at the international airport and then to drive you in the Gambia for all of your holidays, right, in the Gambia.
If you want to have a peaceful holiday and then be able like to see around, like to know the in and out of Gambia,
yes,
you guys should contact my guy, the only
driver,
the one and only driver, the best driver in Gambia right now.
Yeah.
To show you the
in and out of the Gambia.
Out of Gambia.
Yes, right.
So if you want to have a peaceful vacation time, and then he will be able to take you around, like show you those beautiful part of Gambia. So don't forget we're gonna leave his phone number.
Yeah.
You guys don't forget to reach out. If anytime you come into Gambia, contact Jibril.
Yeah. But Jibril, you never intro yourself. You never talk to the camera. Can you talk to the world and tell them your number? Give out your number.
9170177, you know.
Is that what on WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, yeah.
9170177. Yeah. So he's Jibril International Driver. He drives us from Gambia to Senegal. So maybe next step will be Guinea, Conakry, Ghana to Nigeria. Anywhere.
He's ready.
Yeah. So the best camera. Okay. So right now we are in Abuko. There's Abuko right in the Gambia, West Africa. So that's the Trans-Gambia Highway. That one will lead you to Banjul, and this way will lead you to Sarak. Bakama. The Gambia is really beautiful. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Wow. Standard Gambia, New Gambia, proper Gambia. So it's gonna be like only 10 minutes I will be spending on this video, right? 1.5, 10 minutes I'm gonna close it to open another video for Fat Kid Network to show you the movement in the Gambia, because he did street video in Senegal, but in Gambia we didn't do a street video to show you the movement in the Gambia, how the traffic used to be, how the buildings looks like in the Gambia, you know. So let's go. So you can drop your comment, let us know where you're watching us from. So no, a lot of my subscribers out there, they miss Assalamu alaikum. They miss this road, especially the Wellingara Taxi 55 road. So Gambia is fast growing, for Gambia is fast developing. As we always said, we're working hard every day to make a better name for the Gambia and for Africa. Wow. There's nowhere watching us from. Shout out to Papaji, the #1 cameraman in the Gambia. Where's Kola? Look at that. Kola, are you tired? Are you tired? What's up? Kola, what's that? Kola. Wow. focus driver he is. Oh.
That's so funny.
The focus. Yes, the driver still not married. Can you say that again?
We have a very handsome driver. Look at him.
Yeah.
So we want a nice wife for him. Anybody who is ready to settle, anybody who is interested in marriage.
Yeah.
So we have let me know and then I will hook you guys up. I want a very nice lady for my driver, okay?
Yes, he's here. He's when he smiles, he's more handsome, Yeah, of course, you're right.
Anybody interested?
Yeah.
So let me know.
Is
I will leave my numbers so you guys can hit me up. So
Yes.
I know what kind of woman he's looking for.
Yeah.
So I will check like who to refer to him.
Yes.
So I will leave my number.
In case,
In case.
You want Jibril the driver?
Yes.
Wow. So
Jibril,
Jibril, what do you say about that?
Oh, no, nice.
Are you ready to mingle? Are you ready to mingle?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
He's ready.
He's ready to mingle. So my people.
Anybody interested?
Yeah.
You need to leave us a comment, and we're gonna leave our contact information too.
And everything.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah. Why they close the road?
Wow.
Roadblock. There's another road. There's road construction. Going on here. So like and share, subscribe, and basically, here is your boy himself, Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, the prince of the motherland, Africa, the smiling cause of the world, the eye of the Gambia.
That's right.
You said the what?
The eye of the Gambia.
The eye of the Gambia. Yes, man.
He really loves his country. I hope you guys know that.
Yes, the country is in my heart. It's in here. The United States of Africa is in my heart. See? Wow.